problem fix here today. Gonna put some mulch in my yard. It's actually rubber mulch. As you know, I'm very eco-friendly, and this is made out of recyclable tires or rubber. And as you saw, I have a video that I put up there on how I did some carpet in my beds. Down here, there's some carpet down in my beds. For the last 10 years, I've just kind of been putting mulch over this carpet. This year I thought I'd do something new. Year after year after year, I have to buy black mulch, and it's been kind of frustrating because after the first year, the color just goes really bad. And so I buy a $4 bag, and the next year I have to buy another $4 bag. So this year I bought an $8 bag of rubber mulch from Sam's Club. And what I liked about this bag is it has this color lock, a 12-year guarantee color lock. So if I buy this $8 bag and it's got a 12-year guarantee, I'm saving money down the road. So there's a savings right there for you. So what I'm gonna do is put this in today, see how well it does for me, and then hopefully you guys will enjoy and do it the same for yourselves. So I'm gonna open this bag up, throw it in, see what it looks like, and you guys can see for yourself firsthand. All right, so I've got the bag open, and again, the thing I wanted to check was the smell. It does smell a little bit like tires, but I'm sure the smell will just go away after I put it on my yard. So the thing I liked about this, though, is I've seen this stuff before on like playgrounds and things like that. So it says that it's ideal for playgrounds, but I also noticed it says ideal for landscape. So I'm gonna give it a shot and see what we got. The color looks great, and I really like the shred. It looks like a nice mulch. Looks a lot like just a normal mulch to me. And the color is supposed to last, again, like I said, 12 years. So, man, that'd be amazing. What do you guys think from far away on there, on that video? Look good? All right, so let me know. Do you guys think it looks good from far away? Let me know down in the comments. Also, if any of you guys have done this before in your landscaping, let me know if it lasts 12 years. And I'll let you, as I keep going on my video, I'll do another video in a few years if it's looking good. All right, so what I'll do is I'll just finish this up and we'll get back to you. All right, so we got it all in. Take a look. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Again, simple way to make your yard look good, cost effective, and eco-friendly. Like and subscribe.